Lots of music, lots of work.
Here we are with our little shed deck build, and this is going to be a little work deck that I'm going to use in the backyard whenever I have projects to build. It's an uneven surface. I want something that's nice and stable. Just going to start off by measuring out the area I need. Got to dig down and get ready to level out the playing field. I'm using one of the main support beams as a guide so I can see where I need to dig out my area, and now I can get started on one of my favorite activities, digging. Of course, I picked the perfect weekend to start all this, when it was the hottest it's been to date this summer. Good job, Yoho.
You don't have to go all the way down to California.
You might be asking yourself, where the heck is he going with all the dirt? Well, that was something I didn't quite know myself. It ended up in the garage for a little while until we found a place to dispose of it. Lots of places you can get rid of clean fill or sod like that I'm getting rid of. The only problem is getting it to where you need it to go.
She's not feeling the best today.
You know, you guys, sometimes you just get an idea in your head and you just start going with it, and these little quadrant areas I started mapping out with the spray paint just felt right, and I might have needed a little break from digging. This was the most frustrating part of the build, is I didn't measure down enough for the main supports for the deck. I didn't take into account the thickness of the pavers, the height of the post holders that were going to go on top of them. What I should have done is I should have drawn a little diagram of what was going in the hole with the gravel, the sand, the paver, the post holder, the post itself, the thickness of the beam, the thickness of the joists, and the thickness of the deck planks. If I'd done all that, I would have realized I had to go down at least 24 inches from the bottom edge of the doorway.
Let me explain what I'm measuring. What I'm going to put down for supports. First, I'm going to put a bed of gravel, 2 inches, 1 inch of sand, 16 square inch patio paver, concrete post holder, and I need 15 1/8 inches clearance to the top of where the deck's going to be. So that's the minimum. And I'm over that. So we're all good. Lots of room for everything. A tamper has returned.
Making another appearance.
Well, you know, this is what these tools end up doing.
It's like I'm standing out in the wild.
Why is that?
In bare feet.
Oh.
A line level really comes in handy here, everybody. Getting that level line to measure from is like having an imaginary deck right there already.
Oh, that sun is hot.
Remnants of projects past.
You're glistening.
Better glistening than not paying attention.
Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up.
Did you run into the sprinkler over there? Go out and see how he's doing. Bring him his drink, maybe. Maybe. Oh my goodness. Whew. Hot.
All ready to go.
All right. Just going to dump the dirt.
Dirtdumping.ca.
Don't worry, we have permission to do this.
If you have dirt in your home and you need it removed, reach out to dirtremoval.ca. The Yo-Hos will be there to help you.
No, he won't. He's lying. He's lying.
We specialize
No,
in
we
dirt
don't.
removal.
No, we don't. No, we don't. No.
Sweating already.
Weird. This is Lisa reporting from Yoho Mobile 1 with a load of wood, 33.
This just in. Lots of wood coming home.
You heard it here first, folks.
That's right. While that thumping in the back, that's the tailgate munching away on the wood.
It's all good. We're good. We put a bag to the end of the wood. I stapled it right to the wood and Mark's mad. Okay, bye.
To the end. Staple it to the end.
I'm sorry, you're not speaking into the microphone. I can't hear you.
Betty, there's a little cushy part on the tool belt, so I can carry wood and it doesn't hurt. DeWalt, is there anything you can't do?
I'm attaching the ledger board right to the shed over top of lattice work to start. And then what I'm going to do once everything's in place is trim off the top edges of the lattice work so I can put down the deck planks. It'll look a lot neater this way, and I don't have to worry about how far away I'm cutting off the lattice work. I can just trim it exactly to where the edge of the deck ends. I can't even remember where I got this drill bit, but I knew I'd need it for something eventually, and here it is. It's maiden voyage. And no deck is complete without ginormous bolts holding the main beams to the posts. Ladies and gentlemen of Yoho Nation, I present to you Joist Time. Cue joist installation music. I used my carpenter square to make sure the joists were perpendicular to the ledger board. Man, there is the right tool for everything. Just 3 more humongous joists to put in, and then we're ready to finish off the outside of the support structure and start laying down the deck planks.
Doesn't get much better than that.
Yeah. Sorry. That's okay. You want out? Oh, you're so weird, Dora.
These little cross pieces are key to making sure the deck is stable, tied together, and provides a really good support base for all those deck boards to go on. I stagger them by about 1.5 inches from each other, just so that I can go in between the joists and screw directly into the sides of those little cross pieces.
All right. Well, hey there. Another project completed. I've got the work deck finished. Maybe one day I'll put a little step down here, but for now, it's gonna be perfect. I've already had a chance to put everything in place with the table saw workbench, got the work bin in behind, and it's ready to create more stuff now. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for coming by. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all the things so that you can get notified whenever we put a new video up. And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. We're going to have lots more videos for you coming up in the future, and a new place to build the things. Take care. My handy knot coming into play here again?
You better not say that again.
No.
If you guys enjoyed this video, here's a couple more for you to watch.